Hi, I'm Dr. Niall Vallely from 3 Dental, one of the cosmetic dentists here. Short answer is yes. Bonding will stick to those teeth, no problem at all. Composite bonding is a perfectly fine way to restore a root canal treated tooth. It can be effective at covering over dark tooth. It can be effective at repairing and fixing up a broken tooth. Is strong and it is long lasting. It is very difficult to do composite bonding just on one very dark tooth. We have to layer up the bonding quite thick. That's not really going to work well. What can be complicated sometimes, a tooth that needs a root canal treatment often can be quite broken down. In those scenarios, sometimes a crown or a veneer or something lab made might be more appropriate just for strength. If you needed a root canal treatment because there's a lot of decay in your mouth, it's really not a good situation for bonding. All that needs to be stabilized first with root canal treated teeth at the back. That's not for composite bonding. Those generally need onlays or crowns. So if you have had a root canal treatment at the front and you're concerned or you're thinking about getting some composite bonding done, we can have a conversation about what's possible. We'd love to see you at 3 Dental.